Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Check the case orientation so the hinge is away from you and the lid faces you. Once done, clear your hands of rings or wetness to avoid slippage, and cradle the case near its bottom edge with your thumb below and index on the back. Slowly lift the lid to the halfway point to feel the magnet. This tells you the path. Make sure to avoid twisting. A straight, controlled upward motion protects the hinge and the earbuds inside. Once the lid is open to around 90 degrees, hold it steady with your thumb so it won't snap shut. Then, use your index finger to nudge each earbud upward at about a 45-degree angle so you clear the magnetic recess. This motion follows the designed removal path and prevents yanking. If an earbud sticks, rock it gently back and forth instead of forcing it. Make sure to keep the case supported with your other hand so you don't drop either piece. After removing your earbuds, place them back into the case correctly. Left in L, right in R. Then close the lid gently until the magnets click to secure. Make sure the case is stored in a soft pocket or pouch to avoid impacts and keep the charging contacts clean. If something goes wrong, say a stuck lid or jammed earbud, inspect for debris, dry any moisture, and use short bursts of compressed air. If the problem persists, stop and contact service to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.